Taurus, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH at ito ang inyong monthly reading for July 2024. So, if you are interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Pakicheck nyo na lang. Okay, Taurus, let us see anong energies mo ngayong July 2024. Overall energy ng mga Taurus is the Empress. Oy, you are in your element. Kasi the Empress is ruled by Venus, ruled by Taurus and Libra. Okay? So, very productive ka ngayong July. As in, so, marami kang creative ideas. Nag-uumapaw ang iyong energy for July. No? Maaring mas marami kang accomplishments. Oo, some of you, kung may balak kayong mabuntis or magkaanak, no? So, take whatever resonates, possible na merong pregnancy, okay, ngayong July. Or pwedeng yung iba sa inyo, you are already pregnant. So, there's a blessing coming in. Let's see your possible challenge. Three of Wands. Okay, as a challenge, maaring you may experience some delays, no? Doon sa mga gagawin nyo, projects nyo ngayong July. But it doesn't mean na hindi na siya matutuloy. Kailangan lang talaga rito na i-manage mo ng maayos. Kumbaga, mas maging committed ka at maging, ang tawag nito, responsible. Oo. Lalo na kung meron kang mga, let's say, you will travel, no? So, syempre, ano ba yung mga kailangan mong ayusin, asikasuhin pag magta-travel ka? Lalo na kung overseas yan. So, yung mga passport mo, yung mga documents mo, yung mga essentials mo. So, kailangan yan nakaplano, 'di ba? Kasi baka may makalimutan ka. Let's see your opportunity. You have the Ace of Swords. There's success. Merong change. May decision making. So, meron kang opportunity to start something new, to make actions, to take actions, no? Sa mga ideas na meron ka. Kasi, syempre, ang isang idea will always be an idea. Unless gawan mo siya ng action. I-execute mo. Okay? So, whatever ideas you have, creative ideas, you have the opportunity to make it happen. Kayang-kaya mo yang gawin. I also see an opportunity for communication. So, kung meron kang gustong makausap na tao ngayong July, so may possibility na may mga meetings kang aatenan, mga conversations. Let's see your blessing. You have the King of Swords. So, as a blessing, this is a blessing of knowledge, no? Marami kang mga natutunan na from your past experiences. At nagagamit mo yan ngayon sa mga decisions na ginagawa mo, sa mga sinusubukan mo sa buhay mo, sa trabaho mo, even sa relationship rin, no? I feel like mas magiging energetic ka, mas mataas yung ambition mo ngayon. Maari ring merong tao na magiging parang someone na magiging mentor mo who will help you na matupad rin yung mga pangarap mo. Oh, like for example, yung mga nakakilala ka ng taong magaling sa business. Tapos yung tao na yun binigyan ka ng mga advice, no? Para kung paano siya naging successful. Tapos in-apply mo yon sa sarili mo. And yun yung blessing sa'yo kasi magiging effective rin yan sa'yo. Okay, let's see. What is the Empress as your overall energy? What is the Empress? You have the Mother of Pentacles. Wow. Speaking of stability, resources. Ayan. You have all the resources that you need. You also have the Two of Swords. Siguro ang pag-decisionan mo ngayon is kung ano pa yung pwede mong gawin para mas mapaunlad mo pa yung career mo, yung finances mo, or kung ano yung, paano mo mas mapapaunlad yung resources mo. Pwedeng nag-iisip ka ngayon ng bagong negosyo or bagong iba pang pagkakakitaan. May mga new ideas ka. 3 of Wands, the Tower. Oh. And the Sun. Okay. So, I feel like, isa sa challenge mo is, maaring meron kang, itatest yung ano mo, yung patience mo dito, no? Maari kasing, like what I mentioned kanina, meron ka mga gustong i-pursue, pero may mga delays, may mga blockages. But, with the Tower and the Sun, ano to temporary lang naman yan, no? Eventually, you will see, malalaman mo kung ano yung mga resulta na, not actually the results, but makikita mo kung ano yung solusyon doon sa delays na yan. Okay? And eventually, you will feel good about it. At least aware ka na may possibility na, maging unstable ang isang pinupurso mo. So, for your opportunity, you have the 7 of Swords and the 5 of Swords. Nako, yung iba sa inyo, Taurus, you will have the opportunity to get to know someone. Meron kang taong makikilala kung ano ang totoong intention niya towards you. Okay? Maari kasing merong tao rito na lumalapit sa'yo dahil lang sa meron siya nakikitang beneficial, no, na reasons sa connection na to. Pwedeng romantic, pwedeng friendship, or business partnership. Yung parang meron taong dumidikit sa'yo na, alam mo yung yung tawag doon, user-friendly. Yung kinakaibigan ka kasi meron siyang intentions of anything na magbe-benefit siya. So, pay attention and be careful sa ganyan. You have the 2 of Pentacles. Going to be very busy. Multitasking o financial stability. I think ngayong July, ang blessing nyo is mas makakaipon kayo. Mas marami kayong sales, mas marami kayong kikitain. So, ang focus nyo is to save more money. Let's see, ano pa? Taurus. Healing. Ayan. You are healing from the pain, no? From any, pwede rin tong physical pain or emotional pain. Can be healing from your past. You are finally moving on, moving forward. Uy, may justice. I think part of your healing is knowing na, nalaman mo na nakuha mo na yung hustisya. Lalo na kung meron taong nang agrabyado sa'yo. Tapos yung tao na yun, kinakarma na ngayon. Or, nakuha mo na yung hustisya na yan. So, ang bilis na mag-move on. Uy, health. So, some of you are going to focus more on your health, yung iyong kalusugan. And Justice card is also about bringing balance into your life. So, ngayon, mas magiging healthy ka. Kumbaga, magpo-focus ka rin sa iyong kalusugan. Magkakaroon ka ng mga healthy habits, no? Healthy lifestyle ka na ngayon, Taurus. Be supportive. Make a genuine effort to show you care. So, I think you're going to be more supportive sa mga mahal sa buhay mo, ano yung mga needs nila, mga tao na talagang mahalaga sa'yo, no? Importante sa'yo. And vice versa, makukuha mo rin yung support na gusto mo, kailangan mo from the people that you trust. And you're going to be more authentic, be real, and true to who you are and how you feel. Yes. So, pagpapakatotoo sa iyong sarili. And I think, pwedeng meron ding person na, yun nga, like what I mentioned kanina, meron kang makikilala na tao. Makikilala mo yung totoong ugali niya. Mari-reveal sa'yo yon. Malalaman mo kung ano yung intention ng taong to sa'yo. Bakit siya nagdidikit sa'yo. Okay, leader of the light. Where are you being called to serve and support others? Wow! So, meron kang mission ngayong July. Actually, yung iba, matagal na tong ginagawa ninyo, you are, maaring nasa part ng spiritual community rin kayo, you are helping others through spiritual work or spiritual healing. Because you are the light. Ikaw ang liwanag. Nagbibigay liwanag. Okay? You'll be able to help and support others. So that is your reading, Taurus. Thank you so much. Bye.